Hi everyone, this is Mr. Fusion Designs and welcome to our channel. Today we are doing a build from Fanhome. It is the Batman build, the legendary 1989 Batmobile Pack 7. Okay, so what we're going to try attempt to do is something a bit different. You see me do the right side of this. This is Pack 7. And unfortunately, you guys don't really stick around to the end of my videos, so this will be a lot different. I'm going to attempt to do a speed video, and hopefully for your viewing pleasure you will stick around to the end now. And if you could let me know in the comments below, that would be very much appreciated. Thanks a lot. So this is issue 27 and it is the right machine gun, and what we are doing, putting the piston and a letter L screw into the housing. So that is done. Now we have that part that will need a spring on, so I'm just inserting the spring, and that will fit through to the groove in that direction, and then just place the piston into the point where it's showing onto that side. There is a cover, so just placing the cover over the top of that. Please subscribe to our channel, that would help a lot. And just lining up the piston, and now we need a letter H screw, and that will go onto that side, and one more on the opposite side. So this is issue 28, the right machine gun. So we put the metal rod with the barrel with the magazine on top. So now that's inserted. Now we have this cover that will need to be pushed in place, and now place our bullets. I put it first onto the top, and that's it. This is issue 29, the right disc launcher. So we put the cover, and we need letter G screw. Just screw that in place, and now we need the disc holder, and there is 3 points that just needs to be pushed in place. Now we have the disc. There is a small groove that would just need to be pushed in place, and that's it. Issue 30, just a disc to be pushed in place again, and that's it. Issue 31, the right machine gun compartment just needs to line up with a letter A screw that will need to be screwed in place. So that's one. This is the second one. Excellent. Now we have the right machine gun cover. Again, there is some grooves that needs to be pushed in with the letter A screw. Again, needs to be screwed in place, and that's really all what we need to do. You just click the machine gun or put a cover. That's it. Final issue 32, right disc compartment and 2 discs. So we just put in the 2 discs and push them in place. So that's done. Now we have to put what we have assembled previously, line it up onto the grooves, and there is a cover, and those two clips will need to just line up, and two screws, letter A, will need to be screwed in place. So that's the first one. This is the second one, and that's now in place. Now push all the way into the compartments, push them firmly into its position. So those are now all pressed down. The final one just goes there, and there is a cover that has magnets on it, and there we go. That brings us to the end of our pack, and everything went well, and I really enjoyed that. I hope you enjoyed that speed video. And we have our machine gun, as you can see, and that will need to just go there. It has a magnet that will be held in place. It does look good, but not happy of the way it should have been different. But yeah, I might do something with this. I might leave it as it is. I really don't know. We will see how things go. I did do a modification previously on the other pack. There is the cover that you can see I'm just placing there, and it does really look well. So I really hope you enjoyed that. If you could do us a massive favor, if you could hit that like and subscribe to our channel, that will be amazing. Look forward to seeing you all next time, and that will be goodbye for now. Thanks a lot.